Hi guys, welcome back to another video guys. So guys, we are going to talk about in this video about the JBL T110. So this is the JBL T110 110 version. So we are going to unbox this and talk about what's inside the box and about the quality of the audio on this device and about the build quality and everything about this JBL T110. This is only $10, so it's a very cheap one. So let's get into the video. Guys, let's start with the box. So we get the box and we get the JBL earphones. You get the earphones with two pairs of different size of earbuds like this, and it's in orange color. So guys, talking about the two earphones, as you can see here, it's there, and you can see the durability and the build quality of this device is very good. And you can see here the JBL branding and the JBL logo, the Artulis and logo, and you can see here it's made out of plastic and it has some small edge over here, which is very comfortable to the eye. And to check whether it's left or right, JBL has named it right here. You can see here this is the right one, this is the left one. And talking about the wire also, it's very long. It's like 6 meters long, not that much, it's like 2 meters long as I can see. And you can see here the playback and pause button, and it's very good for having this because it's so easy just to press, and it can do everything. And there is no volume up and down button, sadly. So it's a thing that I would like to see on this device, because like under $10 all the all the earphones have the thing, but JBL has not included in this, so it's a bit of disappointment. And you can see here the microphone and the playback pause button. So and here you can see the JBL branding. So that's all you can see in the build quality. Now let's get into the sound quality of this device. Guys, now let's test the sound quality on this device. So guys, I'm going to play a music and I will bring my mic closer to the earpiece of these earphones. Then you will hear the clarity and the bass of this device. So guys, talking about sound quality, I feel like under the $10 price range, this is the best earphones that you can buy, because the bass and the sound bass and the clarity and the vocals are very clear on this device. Even you put to the high volume, the speaker on these earphones doesn't sound that much like say a subwoofer like that. It won't be very loud, but under the $10 price range, I think this is the best. But if you find this around $20 to $15 in some websites, I think this is not the best. But under $10, I feel like this is the best you can get, and it's JBL branded. You will get the JBL branded on this device. So guys, without any further delay, let's check the sound quality. When we take to the final conclusion, the final conclusion is like, I feel that these earphones are a little bit overpriced, because I bought this for a closer price to $18 to $20. So guys, if you find this for $10, $11, $12, it will be a great deal. This is the best you can buy. I mean, one of the best I can say, because there are some UC earphones you can buy for this price range, and some Xiaomi earphones, but I don't think the bass quality is like this, because the bass quality on this device is very good. So thanks for watching this video. I will put a link down below which you can buy this. We'll meet from another video. Until then, stay tuned. Do note that please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the like button for us to reach subscribers. So let's meet from another video. Until then, stay tuned. Goodbye guys, take care.